Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to add costume code to your Lovable project like analytics, scripts, costume, CSS, embeds, or your own React, TypeScript logic, you can in Lovable 2026. Costume code usually happens in code mode, editing the real code base, or by importing costume CSS as a theme. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add costume code in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common costume code problems you may see, like code works in preview but breaks after publishing, scripts added but doesn't load, CSS doesn't apply everywhere, layout breaks on mobile, or build errors prevents publishing. Okay, so know the three costume code options in Lovable. So option A, edit the actual code. So this is the most powerful method. So use code mode to edit your project source code directly inside Lovable. You have option B, add costume CSS as a theme. So this is the best for styling. You can import a CSS file like a global.css or index.css and turn it into a theme, or embed third-party widget. Okay, so add embed snippets, chat widget, forms, maps inside a page or section using a costume component, or embed area depending on your project setup. Okay, use code mode, main way to add costume code. So go to code mode and open the file you need to change. Lovable lets you manually edit the raw code inside the editor. Okay, so common places you will add code: components like UI blocks, pages or routes where the component is used, global layouts, or add shell so code loads on every page. Pro tip: if you want something to run on every page like analytic, put it in the global layouts or routes area, not one single component. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.